everyone, my name is Laura Thompson and I'm a product specialist at CALECIM Cosmeceuticals, the world's only skincare powered by umbilical cord lining stem cells. Today I want to talk to you about how stem cells affect the aging process, what the different types of stem cells are, and how this technology can create transformational anti-aging solutions. As we get older, our own stem cell populations and their functionality decrease over time. This is one of the key drivers of aging. Reduced stem cell populations lead to a reduction in the regeneration of tissue and production of key components of the extracellular matrix, like collagen and hyaluronic acid, and reduced regulation of key processes internally. All this leads to a decrease in skin regeneration and repair. Without an efficient renewal process, skin accumulates old cells on the surface. Minute skin damages are slow to heal, and the epidermal and dermal layers begin to thin. All these ultimately contribute to what we know of as aging skin. The appearance of a dull, pigmented surface, skin that is thin, sagging, and lacks volume and elasticity. Stem cells have been recognized for their regenerative properties and are increasingly being utilized in the medical world for their therapeutic benefits. In the aesthetics world, the promise of stem cells has been present for a long time, but it is important to distinguish between stem cells as a marketing fad and stem cells as a real science that can transform medical aesthetics as we know it. It is commonly known that stem cells have two major characteristics. They replicate or self-renew, and they are able to differentiate into more specialized cells. More recent research has revealed that the beneficial effects of stem cells are not restricted to these two functions. Stem cells can also secrete potent combinations of proteins, growth factors, and cytokines, and this mixture of proteins can modulate the environment and evoke a response from nearby cells. It is this key function that can be leveraged for effective skin rejuvenation. Simply said, the complex myriad of proteins secreted by stem cells can trigger your own skin cells to act and look younger. Applying a stem cell skincare does not simply replenish key ingredients. You are also triggering your own body to start producing its own key proteins and cells, such as hyaluronic acid, as well as all the necessary factors required to repair environmental damage. What is generally meant by a stem cell skincare is one that uses the proteins and trophic factors that are secreted by stem cells. There are no cells in any stem cell products, only their secretions, which are capable of rejuvenation and repair. Not all stem cells are created equal though, and some may have limited functions on your skin. Plant stem cells, commonly used in skincare, have shown limited rejuvenation effects on the skin because plant stem cells cannot repair and replace human tissue. They have entirely different paracrine signaling systems and are not compatible to human skin, although they may have other benefits such as hydration and antioxidation. There are other sources of stem cells that are found in skincare that include skin, fat, placenta, and bone marrow. While choosing a stem cell product, there should be a number of factors that a user should consider. Firstly, what is the source of the stem cells used? Are they ethically derived? Secondly, what is the quality of the stem cells derived? Are they young and proficient in producing stem cell proteins? And finally, what is the quantity of stem cells derived? Is it enough to create a product that is concentrated and effective? So here is where I would like to introduce you to a new revelation in the stem cell world, the umbilical cord lining, a new source of stem cells that is gaining attention in the medical world because scientists have found it to be the richest source of non-embryonic young stem cells ever discovered. The number of stem cells extracted by far surpasses other sources such as bone marrow. The stem cells are young, vigorous, and extremely efficient in producing high-quality proteins and growth factors. Best of all, there are no ethical concerns involved, with no harm done to any animal or human with the extraction of these stem cells. Research is being conducted around the world at this moment. using cord lining stem cells for the potential treatment of Parkinson's disease, haemophilia A, as well as heart, cornea, and neurological disorders. There is also a current ongoing trial conducted by the US FDA using cord lining stem cells for the treatment of chronic diabetic wounds. The yield of billions of stem cells per cord means there is economy in numbers. Stem cell therapy is now finally within the reach of us all, even in the world of aesthetic medicine. Cord lining stem cells enable us to produce a product that is highly concentrated with active stem cell proteins. It is important to note that with a cord lining stem cell product, there is no necessity for recombinant or synthetically produced growth factors that are usually added to increase the efficacy of the skincare. Cord lining stem cells produce a physiologically balanced mix of proteins, perfectly created by nature, to renew and repair. The magic is in the mix. There is a wide range of application of cord lining stem cell science in aesthetic medicine. It can be used in clinic as a post-procedure care by enhancing a patient's recovery, leading to shorter downtimes and optimized results. It can also be used as part of a daily anti-aging regime, delivering potent proteins and growth factors to improve the health and quality of the skin. While many skincare products simply add ingredients to your skin, a good stem cell skincare product can actually induce your skin to produce more of the key proteins that it needs, just like it did when it was younger. Clinical studies have shown that after only 2 weeks of using cord lining stem cell skincare, skin fullness is improved with increased firmness and visible lifting effects on facial features. Cord lining stem cell products can now be found in the best aesthetic clinics around the world. It is recognized by doctors and patients as the future of aesthetic practice. It is indeed tomorrow's therapy today.